Okay, so now drivers has been installed here. I will press and close. Here I downloaded, here on the top you can see Nexus Galaxy 4.3 ROM. I will use Odin 3.07. So I unpacked this folder, I downloaded from internet. This I can close. Here I have my Nexus, it's in the downloading mode. Just to remind, if you need to put it in downloading mode, press volume down and hold it, press on power and hold it, and phone will go to downloading mode. So connected to the micro USB cable to the laptop, and now I will start my Odin. Okay, here the most important thing here is edit here. As you can see, it's added. It means that phone is connected. All drivers have been installed properly. I should click here on PDA and choose my ROM to flash. It's called Odin tag JWR66 Y4.3 TAR MD5. So I click on open. Just to show you the name of the file, I click on open button. It will take a little while to load it here because now it's checking if the ROM is correct and not corrupted. I don't do any changes here, I don't choose repartition or whatever it is, I leave it like that, auto reboot and F reset time. Once you see here it's checked, it says MD5 finished successfully. Here you see the name, the flashing file. I just press on the start and it's starting to flash. Here on the top it changes partitions what it's flashing at this moment. Now it's flashing system, it will take more time than flashing other stuff. So you need to wait, and that time do not interrupt the flashing. Okay, the size of that ROM is 625 megabytes. Now it's flashing user data. It's almost done. At this moment we can see the progress on the phone. It's a blue bar, it's moving. Here it says removed, and on the top it says reset. I believe it's done on a laptop. Now the rest will go on the phone. So I will suggest you to not disconnect your phone, because who knows, Normally you shouldn't break your phone at this moment, but I'm gonna wait. I'm not in a hurry. Here on the screen you can see it's installing Galaxy Nexus driver, but I don't mind about this at this moment. I just want to see what update has been done properly, and I'm waiting the welcome prompt from Android on the screen. Okay, here it is. Okay, here we can see Android version 4.3, even Jelly Bean. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please press on like button if you like my video. Thank you very much.